Come test drive the 2015 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, touring suspension, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.